Hello, party people. So, we are here for another edition of Sana's Cash Stuffing. Anyway, this is July. I am stuffing $1,300 this month, and I'm going to count it out, and then we will get started. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. 550, 600, 650, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 1300. Okay, so I am going to organize things and we'll begin. All right, starting with our cash envelopes. Food is first. I gave myself $450 last month, and that seemed to be good. So that's what we're gonna do again this month. So we will do 100, 200, 300. We'll do some 20s. Yeah. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So it'd be 400 and I'll do a 50. Okay. Beauty, we have nothing left. We're giving ourselves $100 this month. I don't think I have anything coming up, but this is just the basics. So we'll do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Fashion, we're giving ourselves $80. I have nothing left here. 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, fun. We're giving ourselves $260. All of these are empty, by the way. I didn't say that in the beginning, but I spent everything. All right, so 260. We'll do 100, 200, and then 260. Household is getting $40. 20, 40. I think I'm good here too, but I'm sure something will come. Oh, I need batteries. So yeah, there'll be something. Miscellaneous is gonna get $60. 20, 40, 60. And Starbucks is gonna get 25. This is probably gonna come in and then just go right back out. Yeah, I think I already put it on I have an app, so I think I already took it out of my account. I have to double check that, but I think I did it for the month, which means this is gonna go into my spent envelope. So yeah, I can't spend it. All right, so that is it for the cash envelopes. Okay, on to my sinking funds. So for my annuals, I have $55 left. I had another fee for a credit card that took a chunk out. So with the $55, I'm going to add 50. So we should have 105. So we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 105. Car. So with the price of gas, and I traveled, so there were a lot of tolls last month. I have $1 left, y'all. Uno. So yeah, no good. But anyway, so with this dollar, we're gonna add $120 for this month. I don't know, because I filled up my gas tank. It was $87 to fill it up last month. So I don't know what $120, I don't know how long that's gonna get me, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to make it work. So yeah, we're gonna add 120. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. With the dollar, 121. Okay, my emergency fund has $235 in it, and we are only gonna add 15. Uh-oh, did I just close this? Yep. We're only gonna add $15 this month. So we should have 250. Once we have 10, 15, we'll put that there, and we'll put that there. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 240, 245, 250. Beautiful. All right, gifts. We should have $51 left, and we're gonna add 50. I'm gonna take that, which should put us at 101. Is this, let me try to organize these. Okay, here we go. So we have 50, 70, 90. Okay. 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 101. Okay, so as I mentioned in the last video, I am going to stop stuffing, or at least cash stuffing, for the goals. So I did put aside $100, and I just put it directly from my checking account to my savings account, but I want it to grow interest. So I'm not gonna put any cash in goals anymore. So I will probably just remove this for next month, but that's why I'm not stuffing it. Travel, I spent everything. If you watched the last video, you know, I took a trip, so I'm down to zero. I have nothing, so I'm starting over. So I'm gonna add 50 bucks, the last remaining 50, and that's gonna go to my travel account. So that will be it for this month. My budgeting has gone better. I am sticking to it better, which is great. I've stopped carrying around my debit and credit cards because that was part of my downfall. I just kept swiping. So now if I don't have the cash, then I just can't spend it. So it's actually been working pretty well. I'm hoping to be able to have enough discipline that I can carry my debit and or credit card and not use it. But right now I just remove all the temptation. All right, so that is it. We are gonna move to our challenge, and that's it. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Difficulties here. Okay, we have $70. Can you see that? All right, 70 it is. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70. And we're gonna add that to our challenge envelope. And it may be about time to put another $500 placeholder in there, but I don't want to count it out, so I'm gonna wait maybe 1 or 2 more draws, and that should do it. So this one is going pretty well. All right, here we go. And if it's getting too thick, I may have to consolidate and yeah, put some bigger bills in there. Anyway, thank you again for watching. This one was a quick one. I was trying not to keep you here all day, and I'm late. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in August.